Step one is to remove this piece of trim. So what I like to do is use a cat's paw, and what you do with it is you go to a nail, you would hold it like this, dig right into that trim, and then you could get to the head of the nail and pull it out. And then I can take a block so we don't mess anything up, and carefully just get that started. Try one right here. And then take a block here, use a pry bar or a hammer, and start prying that out, just like that. And then you can even take the claw and pull right out like that. And then you can just continue that process all the way down. I should be able to carefully but forcefully pull it out. Just like that. Now I'm gonna take a measurement for my trim, and I'm just gonna be careful when I measure this. I don't wanna make it too long. What can happen, especially if your J-channel's a little messed up like this, you might put the tape right here and push it, and then you're gonna have a big gap right here. So this is what comes in the hidden fastener kit. So I have my bit in a regular drill. You could use an impact, but just to be safe, I'm going to use just a regular drill. This might be a little tricky, but you shouldn't have to pre-drill these. You go in just like that. That'll sink in. Looks like it sinks in quite a bit. And then you take your caps, and I'm going to do something and intentionally show you what I don't want to do. I'm going to hold this right here and pop it in like that and hammer it in. And what I don't want to do is just use a regular hammer. I'm going to actually put some tape on this just so I don't mess anything up. Once I clean that a little bit, clean the whole board, shouldn't be able to see that. Right? It'll be much harder to see it anyways. So we're good.